White Christmas by Bing Crosby on the ukulele. Let's get started with all the chords. So pretty much all the chords are the same, except for the second verse and the fourth verse. Basically, the verses where you say, and may all your Christmases be white, there's only one extra chord that you end on. All the rest of the chords are exactly the same. So it's going to start with a G. Those are the chords to the intro, also the start of all of the verses. A G to an A minor, a D, then a C, an A minor, a D, and a G, to a G7, to a C, children listen, C minor, to a G, to hear, E minor, sleigh bells in the snow, A minor, to a D. So those are the chords for the first verse. Now, when you play and may all your Christmases be white, instead of ending on the A minor and the D, so you play the same chords, G, E minor, A minor, D, and you end Christmases be white on a G. So that's the only extra chord. All the rest of the chords are exactly the same. So I'm going to play the first verse and the second verse, just so you can see where the chords go, and then we will go over a strumming pattern you could use. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Second verse. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases to the G be white. That's where all the chords are placed, and now we'll go over a strumming pattern you could use. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So those are all the chords. That's the strumming pattern that you could use. Thank you guys for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.
His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main, awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha O'e, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the course. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it, because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the course. You can impress yourself.